Alright, we're back with a birdie one. Let's see, I know I got the birdhouse, which I don't... Oh, I gotta put that all together, too. Oh, okay. So what did I get? I got... Oh, rich little leggies. Okay. Put those back in there so I don't lose them. Alright. The string. That off to the side. Oh, there we go. Nope, that's not going to be in there. Good way to do it. Just pop them both. Here we go. Oh! These are really hard. There we go. Snap that back. You have this one that you can throw away or whatever. Alright, let's get going on it. Alright. Alright, this should be pretty simple. I guess that should be, and I'm not that graceful. Alright, I think it goes this way. Okay, and then like this. Ah! No! Oh my God. Wait a minute. Do they have... Oh, they do. Oh, okay. Alright. We kind of do have ways that they have to go in. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Don't mind the extra noise. Okay, so this goes like this. No. Shingles go down. Ah! There we go. Ha ha ha. Yep. Oh, it comes with 3 eggs. Okay, take the shingles off. Take 1 shingle off. Oh, it comes with 3 eggs. Oh, all right. We're gonna take some of this, and we're gonna put it in there. Make sort of a nest. We're gonna put the eggies. Come on. All right, hang on. This is gonna... Hang on 1 second. So this is how I kind of have them. The 3 little eggs right there. And then the little mommy. Just checking on her babies. I gotta let it set because she's literally just on there. So hopefully this will work. But yeah. Cute little thing. I'll probably give this to my mom. She likes all types of birds and stuff, so... She's mostly into hummingbirds, but she's in a lot of birds, so this one will probably go to my mom. And then I'll put the rope on it, and then I'll hang it up in there. See? So, alright. On to the next.